Let's take a look at this example. Anytime we want to subtract fractions, we have to find a common denominator. Let's take a look at these two denominators. I have 24 and I have 6. Please notice that 24 is evenly divisible by 6. So I can say that 24 is perfect common denominator for these two fractions. So let me write down these fractions one more time. I have 5 over 6 and I have 7 over 24. Okay, common denominator we said is 24. Remember that the common denominator cannot be lower than the biggest denominator, greatest denominator. So I have 24, right? So my common denominator cannot be lower than this, can be always higher than this or equal to this, but never lower than this. So if 24 is divisible by 6, this is perfect common denominator for this problem. Now let's find the numerator of this fraction. First you have to check by what number I have to multiply 6 to get 24. I have to multiply by 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. So I have times 4. 5 times 4 gives me 20. Next, by what number I have to multiply 24 to get 24? Times 1. 24 times 1 gives me 24. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. 7 times 1 gives me 7. I found the equivalent fractions to these fractions. Let me copy them into my equation. So I have 20 over 24 minus 7 over 24 is equal. Now I have common denominator. If I have common denominator, I can subtract these fractions. Denominator will always stay the same. It's 24. And subtract the numerators. 20 minus 7 gives me 13. As you can see, we cannot reduce these two numbers because we do not have common factor for 13 and 24. This is why this is the solution to my problem.